welcome to Too Old and Too Slow, and on this episode I'm going to make a bracket for my anti-roll bar on my 1973 Formula Ford. So this is the anti-roll bar on my car. As you can see, it connects one side of the car to the other, and it's attached to the chassis using this bracket here. As you may have seen on another video, the bracket on the other side is a little bit loose. It's misshapen, and I've got it just here, and this is it. The oval, as you can probably see, isn't that oval anymore. So what I need to do is manufacture a bracket like this. A relatively simple job, I hope. So I'll see how I get on. So all I've got to do is just cut the aluminium to length, drill the holes, and job done. Okay, so I've cut the bar approximately to length. I'm going to put that on a abrasive wheel, tidy it up, make it square and look right, and then start drilling holes. So I've got the block of aluminium put into the pillar drill. I put a center punch in, just measuring that up, make sure that fits, and now I'm going to try and drill. So another day in the workshop prepping the car. So the task I was working on was making this bracket, and that's done. As you can see over here, there's quite a few failed attempts, but that's done. The other problem I had was the engine wasn't starting. So I just left it. Last time I was here, I closed the garage door down and given some thought. Came to the conclusion it's probably fuel. Well, it's definitely fuel related. I squirted some brake cleaner in the carb, and that fired up. So it's obviously fuel related. So I drained the fuel tank, cleaned the fuel filter, and that seemed to cure the problem. I think there may have been a slight leak on the fuel pipe as well, so I took a little bit of that off. But it should be running fine now. Should we have a go at starting? Let's see if we can start it. Right, turn that on. I wonder if I can start single-handedly. Yeah, I can. What I'm going to use is use my boot down here and see if that starts. So that's starting just fine. The other thing I did was the exhaust was looking a bit rusty. So I've got a stainless steel exhaust. I quite like to fit a so I got a metal exhaust, a ferrous exhaust, steel exhaust, and I want a stainless steel exhaust. I've got one, but I haven't fitted it yet. So this just needed a bit of a spray up, bit of a clean down, check the oils, check the fluids, and I think that is probably about ready to go. All I need is chuck the body on. I'll do another check when I'm home in a week's time or so, because I'm off to work hopefully tonight, maybe tomorrow morning, to go and earn some money to do some racing. So that's it from this short video on the preparation for Donnington Park. I'll try and upload it as soon as I can. So I did try to do, I'm trying to do a video a week. So I'll chuck this on. Please subscribe. It's really important subscribing. I'm getting close to 1,000 subscribers. So every time someone subscribes, it's a big step towards the 1,000 subscribers. Please remember to like, that helps the algorithm, and share it with people. If you think somebody could be interested in this channel, please share it with your friends, colleagues, neighbours, anyone who you know. So that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.